gonna comment under that.
Can I bring my own version of an air mattress?
Yes. Anything you want to bring.
And I can bring like. I feel like I'm gonna need a lot of stuff.
What? Like what? You're not moving in, Kevin. I provide.
I'm gonna need a lot of stuff.
What?
Gonna need a lot of stuff. What do we? So. But we're basically up though the whole time.
We up, and then we go to sleep around like 3 a.m. and then we wake up at like 8 when the breakfast is ready. It's lit.
Do we have to go to sleep or do we?
No, we don't have to. But I'd rather be asleep.
Cause you get weird if you're up.
No, it's just funny when we sleep. I don't know.
Why is it funny when
like,
you sleep?
Like somebody snores, somebody farts. Like it's funny.
Drewski. So you're saying Drewski's
gonna
snore?
Oh my God, Drewski farted like a last time he was here.